just the proof of destruction. Shiva, 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 Shiva. But yeah, you're not invincible just through diet. That's the freaking lesson, man. I think I get sick on average once a year. And you can't really blame it on diet completely because sleep and water and levels of stress have such a big impact. Even if your diet's fucking good, you're gonna get shut down at some point. John, did you survive the blizzard?
How did I?
Did you?
I think so. My toes are pretty cold, but I'm wearing regular sneakers.
Yeah, me too. I'm not prepared. But you do with what you got.
Fingers are cold.
Megan?
No, buddy. What makes you think that there's a rat, huh? You guys have been shoveling since 9.
Drinking my smoothie. I just got my vegan essentials in. Got some cycling shorts. And I got a cycling jersey. Go vegan. And then I got some streetwear. Got a vegan t-shirt. Passion, non-violence for the people, planet, the animals. Get your blueberries and your OJ. Can't go wrong there. Alright, gotta get back to work.